Say it again. Yeah, the Easter Bunny came. Let's go see.
Let's go see. Okay, Chippy.
Got some toys in there. Well, look around. Do you see any eggs anywhere? You gotta look for the eggs.
What's in there? Oh, what's in there? M&M's. What you get in your basket?
That's a hairband. You want to wear it? It's called a headband. Here you go. Here, I'll help you put it on. First you put it like this. And then it holds your hair back.
There you go.
Usually worn also with clips sometimes.
How about you over there, Mason? How are you doing? Check it out, Logan. Now the hair's out of your eye.
What else did you get in there?
What's in here?
That's a flashlight. Wind it up. Gotta wind it up first. And you use this button. To look for the moon bear. Okay.
Maybe you can use that instead of your pig light.
Oh!
What are you saying over there, Mason? Alright, Logan, you ready to look for some eggies?
What else did you get in there? Mason, you want to see your new blanket? Mr. Bunny got you a blanket.
Wow. He likes it.
Okay, so when you get the candy out, put all the stuff in your basket. That's a bracelet. Okay, we'll look around for some more eggs. Here, take your basket. You put all the eggs in your basket. You can take your basket with you and put your eggs in there.
It's super heavy.
I think you already opened that one. Daddy just shut it again.
I don't think so.
Oh.
That one's already opened. You gotta keep looking. They're all over.
There's some more in the living room and in the dining room. In the playroom. Y'all can do it at the same time. See you do it. Ready? One, two, three. You gotta push your leg in, buddy. Whee! You like it?
You did it, Logan?
Gotta clean your nose. I did it! Yay!
Yay! Be careful. Easter at the park, right, Logan?
Look, Logan, it's a digger right in front of our house. Look at that big digger. And a dump truck. Chip, stay here, Chippy. You like the digger? Oh, there he goes. Dig, digger, dig. It's the start of the next thing. The new sidewalk, I guess. Because you gotta. Mason can't see if you sit right in front of him. It's a big, loud truck.
I got my fingers.
No, it's not gonna get your fingers, silly. Yeah? It's not stinky. Trash trucks are stinky. Concrete truck doesn't stink. What do you think? What?
What's the pulp?
Yeah, it's coming out of the spout. Here we go. Look, you're sitting on it all by yourself. Okay, you ready? Ready? Yay! He's so excited to be on his sister's toy. I think she might be mad if she knew. It's a good thing she's taking a nap, Mason. It's a good thing. Look at that guy. You're up there. Oh, you're going to fall off. Oh, here we go. Set the camera down. Here, let's put you back on there. It's okay, buddy. There you go. Okay, here we go. Woo, you're riding it. Look at that face, so excited. Okay, ready? Here we go forward. Ready? There we go. Oh, and then he falls. Oh. Oh, dismount. Mason, are you moving? Are you on the move? Oh, you're gonna do it. Move around.
Alright, let's see what we got going on in here tonight.
Okay, that's enough water on his head. No more water on his head, love.
What do we have going on in here tonight?
Sibling bath time.
Alright, first time ever. Mason can set up on his own now.
Logan, you didn't take a bath in the big tub till you were like 9 months old.
Well, he wouldn't normally do it. It's a special night, right, Logan? Excuse me.
Whoa.
Alright.
Can I put some water on this head?
No, we already did that. We're not going to put any more water on his head.
Oh.
Cannot drown your brother out. Watch out, big boy. So what do you think, Mom? We're almost done with the kitchen.
Big boy.
I'm excited. I'm also excited if we can get rid of the baby bathtub. That'd be great. More
Yeah.
room in our tiny little bathroom.
That thing?
Yeah.
Hmm.
There you go, Mason.
Can I put some
No, you may not.
Logan, look at me. Why do you want to drown your brother? Is that good, Mason? You like widespread panic? And milk? Chippy.
Censored. Hey, Mason. Yeah. You like your bath? Show him how you kick and splash. Kick and splash. Yay! There you go, kicking. Kick. Mason, kick. Yay! Mason. You ready to get out? Hey, sweet love. You ready to water the flowers? Oh, okay. Mason, you like that corn?
Strong.
Maybe. Just gave him something to chew on.
Mason has his own corn.
I know. I got it all mine.
Okay.
You got yours too? Logan, you're good at eating the corn. There you go, Mason.
It's getting sleepy.
Yeah, I know.
Starting to get mad at it.
That's the nasty part, Mason.